Yo, this is one of the time in life where you ever get locked up. I don't know. It gotta be like this gotta be like when you in the streets. Like, it don't happen to nobody. This don't really happen to regular civilians. Can't. Well, I bet. So, I'm in the streets, me and my boys, and then we get into it. We're doing what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm gonna get to it. I'm on a train that came off the train. So I see the cops locking up like my boys and them, you know what I'm saying? So me like a dumb idiot. Dumb idiot. This is not black. This is not black. I don't know if it's Caribbean because I'm from the Caribbean. So I don't know, but this is definitely not black. My dumb ass walk up to the scene, right? After I see them booking, because I'm like, I'm coming off the train, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't involved in nothing. So I'm like, yo, what's going on here? That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? To the cops, like, they locking my boys up. So one of the cops look at the sergeant, like, sergeant say, yo, what about him? Sergeant's like, yo, lock his dumb ass up too. Man, I was sick. They booked me, and whatever charge they charging them with, they gave me the same charge. I'm in the bookings like, oh man, my boy, they hate him. They have him as a menace. They have him as the worst thing. So in court, man, he prepared for this shit. My man got weed, cigarette, niggerettes, and the shit that you smoking. My man got tobaccos, rolled paper, lighter. He got everything. So they good. They ain't worried about nothing. Got caught. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, I'm a Cody. They say Tucker is a minister. So now they trying to link me with him. So they ain't trying to let me go. You know what I'm saying? Because of him. But eventually, you know what I'm saying, I got R&R come out. But goddamn, this just teach you when shit going on, mind your business. That's what I should have did.